Hey, good morning everybody. It is frozen tundra out here. There's ice underneath that snow and it's pretty slippery out here, and I'm out here burning my trash like I always do. And this is the freeze week. Our temperatures are not going over 30 all week, so besides wood, which we pretty much got squared away, I'll show you. I even have wood here in the back of my car from the lumber yard, and you can see there, that's all ready to burn. Just keeping that dry. And as you can see also, my car is frozen, iced. It's just, I think it's kind of stuck there. But the other problem that we have is our water situation, which I wanted to show you. Here's, for example, this water tank is not insulated in any way. It's just sitting here. It's got maybe 200 gallons in it. I can't even open it. It's frozen solid. And that's where we hook the hose up to it. And that's probably frozen right here. That's probably frozen. But so can't get any water out of this tank. And if you look at it, yeah, I think it's frozen solid. But on a brighter note, because we're smart and we're looking forward to this, and we were preparing for this. This other water tank we have insulated. So let's see what we got here. This one is covered in black tarp, and you can see here, underneath here, basically there is pink insulation like you'd put in your house, all wrapped around this one. And the nozzle's frozen, but with a little heat torch there, we can get water out of that. So we made sure we filled up yesterday because we knew this was coming. I got one more water tank over here I'll show you, and I bet you that's frozen too. Let's go take a look. It's an IBC tank, 275 gallons, and it is basically getting on my roof drain, water catchment off the roof of this barn. So here it is, and I bet you that's all frozen down there. Yeah, I can't even turn it. That's frozen solid there. So we have to deal with the water that we have in the house, which is about 100 gallons, until we get a day where the temperature gets over 32, which is looking like Sunday, and today is Tuesday. So we got to go about 5 or 6 days on that 100 gallons of water, or we just got to melt some. That's always an option as well. There's always options. It's just which option is more difficult is what the answer is. So anyway, just wanted to tell you that we are in a winter wonderland here today, and I'll progress how our frozen week goes. We are alive, we are hydrated, and we take showers still. So we're just going to conserve some water just to make it through this week. All right, thanks everybody. Have a good day, and I will see you later in this video. Yeah, I got a pinstripe. Hey everybody, it's the end of the day. It's almost dark, and I'm out to go put the chickens away, because every night I have to lock them in the chicken coop. So I have my little stick here. You can see it. This is my chicken on a stick, and I'm going to show you how I use it. All right, so I'm coming up on the chicken coop here. Let me turn the camera around. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here's the chicken coop. Most of the chickens... Oh! 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 Okay, coming up on the chicken coop here. And most of the chickens are inside already. In that door right there. But if you notice, there's two sitting up here just kind of chilling. So let me sneak around here and not slip and fall on the ice. Here you go, chickies. Go back inside. Come on, go inside. Come on, go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Come on, go inside. That's it. You two. Go inside. Go inside. And there they go to go inside. Now I just gotta lock them in. Got some locks down here. It's getting a little dark, so you can't see, but I'll show you in a second. There you go. So now they see they're all locked in. So we have to do that every night. A lot of times the dogs are out here. Hey, Delilah. Hey, Delilah. You ready to go inside? Yeah, you want to go inside? And we got the goats out here. And hold on 1 second. So this is the stuff I do at night. And usually my wife does it, but a lot of times I do it. But chicken's got to be locked up every night. So talk to you later. Bye. What you doing, baby?
Okay, so I have taught Zeus to jump, and for some reason, Sweet Feed is like crack for him.
Okay.
I mean, he like goes crazy.
All right.
So watch. Zeus, jump. Jump. Oh. Jump. Zeus, jump.
It's a crazy dog. I think the goats want to jump like that too.
Okay, that's what I needed. I needed that on video.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Doing chores.
In the ice falling from the sky.
It's like ice rain.
It's like bouncing off of everything. It's a little weird.
All right. Oh, this storm's lumber chops up real nice.
Yeah, it does. It burns better when it's smaller like that. It has a hard time burning good when it's all big.
See you later. So, we are walking up our driveway to go get our mail. Say hey, baby. You can see our car in the back there. It ain't gonna make it up our driveway. So we got some stuff coming from Amazon, and we're gonna walk up the hill to get our mail.
Everything's icy.
And it's about, is it a quarter mile or a half mile to the mailbox?
I think half a mile.
Half a mile. So, here, this is the hill we're going up. See?
Actually, 3/4 of a mile.
3/4 of a mile?
Yeah.
Okay. There's the hill we're going up. We actually bought a cart so we can carry the packages down. And just everything's harder in the snow and ice. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Now we're coming down our access road here, heading to the mailbox. I got goats with us. Whoops, let me show you. They're following us to the mailbox. And of course the 2 dogs. And it's a brisk 20 degrees out right now. So kind of cold, kind of snowy, kind of icy. But man, we're gonna get some good stuff from Amazon, so it's all worth it, right? There's the dogs leading the charge. And of course, Zeus is gonna drop the ball at my feet so I fall down. He's all about the ball. Yeah, so still heading toward the mailbox. All the animals following my wife to the mailbox.
So when I still lived in Florida, I went to the thrift store and got these little cool things with the anticipation of moving to Missouri, thinking we would have cold winters, and then everybody said it was going to be a mild winter and that it barely ever snowed here and all that good stuff. Well, we know that that is wrong because we have gotten snow and now everything's iced over. So these fit right on the boot. It says right here, toe. You put it over the toe, and then it just kind of stretches all the way over to the back. And I'm going to try these out because I slipped and fell this morning because everything is covered in ice. It looks like snow, but it's not. Okay, so we're outside. We have some hay down to keep us from slipping right in front of the house. And we're going to walk to the chicken coop. Since that is where I slipped and fell. You see all this? It looks like snow. It's not snow. It's like packed down ice. So far, let's see. There we go. So far, they're working good. I'm not slipping and sliding. Let's take a look at the bottom. Oh, not too bad. Has like these little springs on them. It's kind of cool. Right here is the worst. So it has a little dip, gully. Oh, nope, did not slip or fall. Actually, I think I'm going to keep these on until all the ice goes away. So, a thumbs up for the boot covers, the no-slip boot covers. They seem to be working great. So, that's my review, is they do what they're supposed to do. Have a great week, guys.
Good morning, everybody. This is the end of the week, and we are in the middle of our ice storm, blizzard. I don't even know what it is, but it's 11 degrees out here this morning, and it feels like -1. And I'm out here burning my trash, and I had trouble doing that because none of my lighters would work. And my wife is up the hill here. You can see her. She's getting water out of her water tank. We had our water heating element inside the tank all night to get the water flowing, and she's out there pouring it the 5-gallon buckets so we can have water this week. We're gonna pull about 80 to 100 gallons out of there so we can go another 5 or 6 days because on Monday we're expecting 6 inches of snow. So this is like a 100-year storm from Missouri. Matter of fact, all the locals here are saying the same thing. They've never seen anything like it, or it's been a long time since this has happened. And it just so happens that it's our first winter in Missouri, and we get the 100-year storm. So we're surviving, we're happy, and we're joyful about it. We are not complaining or anything. We're actually enjoying it. I mean, it is cold, don't get me wrong, but here's my wife. Hey, wife. Tell everybody about this, what we're doing here.
Well, we're hauling water from the water tank into the house because before it can get into the house, it freezes in the hose.
It does.
So we can't use the hose to fill everything up. So
we're back to hauling water.
We're back to hauling water. Luckily, we don't have to go get it from the river. We already had it.
Yes, yes. So
rainwater catchment for the win.
So we just want to say goodbye, and we made it through this week, and the blizzard is through next week, so we will keep you up to date on the next video. And we just want to send you guys off with that we love you guys, we appreciate you guys following us, and we'll see you guys later.